how to get 3 free items on Temu. So let's get started with it. First of all, obviously you need the Temu app on your phone and download it and open. After that, you can see on the very first page, if you open it, you'll receive some gifts. If you're new in this account, just claim it and receive it. After that, what you can do is go to the U option in the middle. And here, so what happens is if you have associated your account with bank, then you'll receive an option called Earn Gifts below addresses. So tap on it and there you'll receive 5 gifts. And there you get one of the offer called $0 items on the Earn Gift section. At the very first, just tap on it and you can receive 3 gifts for free for $0. Just claim it. So to claim the gift, you need to invite 3 friends in this app. You may share the codes with any social media that you have with your friends, and that will help you to claim 3 gifts. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.